Hello everyone and welcome back to ARTazzled. It's been really long since I've said this because there has been a little update in my personal life. I got married and I decided to make a video related to that. Here is what I'm going to make today. This is a DIY wedding invite. Now, this is what I had made for my wedding, and obviously I cannot make it for like thousands of guests, so this was given to some of my special friends and people in the family. Okay, so first I'll show you how's the card and what's in it. So, this is how the card looks. It says Ayushi and Nishal. And now I'll show you what's inside. This is the card for the wedding invite. I'll open this later. And what all it has. This is a jar of caramel popcorns. Then this has Nutella. Nutella is my favorite. Then this is organic honey. And this is a mixed fruit jam. I'll open the invite now. This is how the invite looked. This has the date and venue details, and this is the wedding invite. How I started was I selected a theme for the whole invite and got the things accordingly. So floral theme was my personal favorite and I selected that, and all the things that I bought and made were based on that theme only. For example, the gift bag that I bought, this has flowers, and then the wrapping sheet I had with the invite in, this also has flowers on it, and the decoration, it is also floral based. So you just need to decide one theme so that all the things look coordinated and part of the same invite. So talking about where did I get the things from? The jars, these are the two different sizes of jars. I bought these from Chandni Chowk in New Delhi. This wrapping sheet, this is also from Chandni Chowk. And there's some of the decoration items like the flowers used over here, these jute ropes and the flowers, this bigger flower. Most of the things have been brought from Chandni Chowk, and I believe the decorations you can get from local stationeries also. But these jars and stuff, for this you'll have to look. Another thing without which this invite would have been impossible is the website Vistaprint. Vistaprint is the perfect website through which you get these. You can make your own invites, and also you can get templates over there where you just have to put in your names and everything else is arranged in the templates. Another thing is these stickers, the stickers that I've put on the gift bag. These stickers are also from Vistaprint. You just need to select the design, you need to select the size, and they'll send you this pretty little thing. I hope you liked the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, follow us on Instagram, follow us on Facebook, and share the video, share the love.